Hi guys, this is Mrs. Story here. I want to talk to you about the best way to set up an MLA paper. So I'm going to start because there's a couple ways you can do it. So I want to go to Google Doc and I'm going to select from a template. Where is it? Here it is. So you go into a template and then click on the general, and then it says report MLA. Click that. The problem with this template is that it does not have your last name up here at the top in the header, and your last name has to be there. So then you would go in and put your first name and your last name, your teacher's first name and last name. I prefer Mrs. Story. If you want to put Dina's Story, that's fine. And then you could put the subject name, so Honors English 1, English 3, and then this is the MLA format of the date. Then you have to put your title in right here, and then you delete this stuff and start typing it. Now this, I do not require the section header, so I don't recommend that you use this template. I really feel like the better way is to go in and start from scratch. So this is how I would do it. Go into New, Google Doc, blank. I'm going to show you how to set up MLA formatting. And I'm just going to start, since my cursor's right here, I'm going to start right here. Oops, 218. I'm in the wrong year. MLA has to be double space and in Times New Roman 12-point font. So I'm going to highlight all this. I'm going to adjust the spacing to double. I'm going to make it 12-point font. And then I'm going to make it Times New Roman. Okay. Then I'm going to hit enter. And I'm going to click right here where it says align, and I'm going to center. And this is where I'm going to put, whoops, what happened here? I'm going to put my title, whatever my title is. Okay. Then I'm going to hit enter again, and then I'm going to left align, and then I'm going to hit tab. Now I'm ready to start typing. Okay. The only other thing that you have to go in and add is your header. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to go up here. You click anywhere up here at the top, or another way to do it is to go to Insert, Header. That's too close to the edge of the paper. If I actually printed this, it would not print. So I'm going to hit Enter. And then I'm going to write a line because your last name has to be over here. And if you notice, this Google Docs defaults to Arial. So I'm going to highlight this and make it Times New Roman. And then, whoops, it unhighlighted. Highlight it, 12-point font. And then right here, I'm going to hit enter one time. And then I'm going to go to Insert, Page Number, and I'm going to choose the top left. Now, that means that I could type a 100-page paper and all of my pages will have the correct number. And then you just click off anywhere in the paper and you're ready to start typing. A lot easier than having to delete a bunch of stuff on a template.